All right. Okay, you guys. We may have cow patties. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room.
See this road right here? We saw 5 or 6 semis, big old pot-belly cattle trucks going down this road, and there's a little pin that's like a quarter mile down the road. I'm not going to walk down there, but they unloaded 5 or 6 cattle trucks down the road here. We are in the Coconino National Forest, about 10 miles north of Strawberry, and this is Forest Road 144 right here. Right here. We've got cattle everywhere. They better not come into this campsite and be dropping cow patties. Look, I don't know if you can see that guy right there. I think these are all mamas and their calves. But, what the heck? Okay, Highway 260 is that way, just like a quarter mile also. Oh, they're looking at me. Now they're walking away. Good. I mean, I don't mind cows. My dad is a retired cattle buyer. I'm from Iowa. Here, look at this. Okay, here's the prowler, the bear. Apparently some rancher... oh, now they're run. Apparently some rancher is paying the Coconino National Forest to let his cattle graze. I don't know. Do you think they're all chipped or something, or what? Got their calves. I just don't want them dropping cow patties up by the prowler there. Oh, look at that little calf. You see him poking through there? Oh, watch, trip over a rock. Anyway, all right, I'll check back in if they're in our sight here. Crazy stuff. I love it. I love it though. Okay, we are literally 50 yards from the campsite. There are cattle everywhere. It's like we're at the stockyards. Again, this is Forest Road 144 in Coconino. Oh. You are number 1823, I can see from your ear tag. Go back to eating. Don't poop in my campsite. Oh, look at you. You are number 1814. Don't come poop in my campsite. Please. Good Lord, I think there's got to be 200 head of cattle out here. Not sure we'll come back here. I guess we'll see what happens. It's kind of interesting. Bunch of calves down here. Little littler ones. What's your... Hey, give me your tag number. Don't poop in my campsite. know. What more do I say here? Not sure if you can hear the moos, the bawling. Wow. Yeah. Literally, this is probably like 200 yards. 200 yards away, they got all these pens here. Where they were unloading, we didn't know what they were doing when they were unloading. Like somebody's buying and selling, but or maybe they're releasing them behind a fence somewhere. They're kind of cute. Look at these two little. Wow. Now they had 5 or 6 semis come in here, back up, unload, put them. There's people camping back there too. Looks like a lot of them left. So anyway, oh, what's your tag number? I need to. No, get back here. I need to know your tag number. Look at that little cute one there. Looks like he's got white eyebrows. You see him? Little calf. See him? I love this adventure already. I loved it before it began. First day, I love it even more. Okay, no poop for you. No poop for you. No poop for you. What's your tag number? What is your tag number? And who you got back here? No poop for you in my spot. Don't try to go around. Keep going. Okay, they're surrounding me. No poop for you. No poop for you. What's your tag numbers? I know you. Other way. There's plenty of grass that way. If you promise not to poop. All right, so this is going to be a long night battling these poopers. So, anyway, just kidding. Oh, look at they just coming from all around. Mama and baby here. Okay, well, we'll let you know in the morning if we got a bunch of cow pies. Good night. Love you guys. All right, they don't respect me at all. Not sure if you guys can see this, but he's 20 feet away from Fowler here. There's 3 calves right there. You see one walking across. And we got no respect. I get no respect out here. If I see one cow patty, you're all gone. And there's one over there too. I'm telling you, one little baby's bawling for its mother, I guess. Okay, who's the mother of that baby?
Could be across the road without any supervision.
Yeah. I don't know. Leave in the comments what you guys would do. Can Can I kill and butcher one? Have some meat or what? I don't know. I'm teasing. I'm teasing. But really, I mean,
There goes the other one.
camped so many times over the years. Never had this happen. All right. We'll touch base in the morning. All right, let's go see if we got any cow pies out here. Good morning, by the way. Look at that. Right here by that camper. I don't know, guys. I think that's kind of BS. You know, we pay for this land too. And I don't care if some rancher pays more to let his cattle graze here. And this is our national forest also. They should have put a sign out there coming off the highway that they were going to do this weekend or this week or however long they're going to do it. But all right. I'm sure there are more, but anyway, you never know what you're going to see on our simple adventure. So God bless you guys. God bless each and every one of you. This is going to be one of those midweek special videos, which I'm hoping to get up for Wednesday. We got to go down into Strawberry to get cell phone service or internet for our hotspot. So anyway, share this with somebody who might think it's funny or weird or crazy or whatever, and we'll see you Saturday. Bye.